Welcome to Thoughtful Thursday. Today's topic is, what if you could undo NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease? Hi, this is Dr. Rose, and I'm here to bring you the Daily Spoonful, where science meets hope and healing. Fatty liver disease isn't just about alcohol anymore. Unfortunately, we have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, known as NAFLD, and it's on the rise, especially in people with insulin resistance and abdominal obesity. And here's the thing, it can start silently. NAFLD affects 1 in 3 adults, and it's often missed because it creeps up without any pain and very little symptoms. It starts with fat accumulation in your liver, but over time it can cause inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis. If you're tired all the time and you have a lot of belly fat or your liver enzymes are creeping up, take notice. If you saw my earlier video, your liver might be tired. You'll remember the early signs, but this is the next step, because if you catch NAFLD early, you can reverse it before it progresses. The good news is that the liver is incredibly resilient. A well-formulated ketogenic diet removes the primary offenders: refined carbs, excessive fructose, and seed oils. It allows the liver to offload its fat and begin to heal. Today's nugget: the liver is the only organ that can regenerate, and if you stop attacking it. One of my clients came to me with chronic fatigue, mild elevation of liver enzymes. We cut the sugar, up the protein, and provided healthy fats. And within 3 months, his labs normalized. His energy came back, his belly shrunk, and his doctor called it unbelievable. So here's your strategy. Cut liquid sugars, sodas, juices. Cut processed carbs and excess seed oils. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize animal protein, including nourishing fats like olive oil, avocado oil, avocados, and grass-fed butter. Your liver will thank you. If you want the full liver saving strategy, head over to my NAFLD video, and if you missed your liver might be tired, go back and check that one out too for early symptoms. They work together. I'll see you in the next video.